Hello everyone, a very good morning to all of you. Today we are going to read a very beautiful poem, and the name of the poem is A Photograph, which is written by Shirley Tolson, and it is from the book Hornbill. In this poem we will get to know about a relationship between the mother and the daughter is very sad because the mother is no more, and we will get to know about a photograph also. And in this particular photograph, the mother was actually having her age 12 years old. That means the mother was in her childhood, and the daughter is now looking back into that particular photograph, and she is just remembering about that particular moment of the childhood of her mother. Clear? So let's go into the poem. The cardboard shows me how it was when the two girl cousins went paddling. Cardboard means photograph. So this photograph is actually showing to me about the two girl cousins when they went for paddling. Paddling means walking with bare feet in shallow water, right? So they were walking in the seaside areas, in the beaches, each one holding one of my mother's hands, and she the big girl, some 12 years or so. So there are actually three characters in this particular photo. Who are the three? The mom and the two girl cousins. And she the big girl, she means my mom. She was the big girl, some 12 years or so. So at the center there was the mother, left hand side one girl cousin, and right hand side the another one. And what is the age of my mother in that particular photograph? 12 years old. Means the mother was in her childhood. All three stood still to smile through their hair at the uncle with the camera. And all of them are standing still, and they were all smiling through their hair, means their hairs that were falling in front of their face, and they were smiling to whom? To the uncle who was there in order to capture the moment with the camera. A sweet face, my mother's. That was before I was born. Definitely the mother was having the age of 12 years old. So the daughter is looking back into that past, and she is saying my mother was having a very beautiful face, sweet face. And the sea, which appears to have changed less, washed their terribly transient feet. But here we are getting a contrasting image, like the sea which appears to have less change, means the sea is actually permanent, eternal, and this sea is actually washing the feet of the characters, those who are in this particular photograph. The transient feet. Transient, why? Because it is the washing of the time, and time is washing the feet, the water is washing the feet, and throughout this washing my mother is actually losing her childhood, she is becoming mature, and she is no more with me. So human life is completely impermanent, it is transient, but natural things, these are permanent, eternal. And transient feet means epithet, figure of speech. Epithet means adjective. So feet is having the word transient, so epithet or adjective. So this is the first stanza. What are the figure of speech we are getting? My mother's, alteration, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 number line, all three stood still, stood still, alteration, same line, through there, alteration, right? So these are the figure of speeches of this particular stanza. Next stanza. Some 20-30 years later, she would laugh at the snapshot. So whenever my mother was looking back into her childhood, she was smiling, she was happy. And when she was looking back, at that time her age was some 20-30 years later, means in that photograph she was having the age of 12 years old. So 12 plus 20 or 30, that means 32 or 42 years old. So when she was looking back in her childhood, that time her age was 32 or 42 years old, and she would laugh whenever she is looking back into this photo, and she is very much happy. She was very happy, and she was having some dialogues also. See Betty and Dolly, she would say, and look how they dressed us for the beach. So So, the mother was talking about the characters, the girl cousins and the dress code. The sea holiday was her past, mine is her laughter. And the sea holiday means this was the holiday time for the characters, and she lost her childhood, she lost her past, and as because she lost her past, she lost her laughter, which I am missing. I means the daughter, the poetess. She is missing her mom. Both lie with the labored ease of loss, and both of us are disappointed because we are not having the time to enjoy the moment again. We cannot, because I lost her. And with time, we are losing everything, because as I said in that first stanza, human life is impermanent, transient, right? So, last stanza. Now she has been dead nearly as many years as that girl lived. Now she has been dead, she is no more, and nearly as many years as that girl lived. Means in that photograph, the girl was having the age of 12 years old. So, I lost my mom 12 years ago. Means when I am writing the poem, I lost her, and when I lost her? 12 years ago. And of these circumstances, there is nothing to say at all. And because of all these circumstances, all these incidents that happened to me, to my life, because of this tragedy, I have nothing to say. I am speechless. I don't have any kind of thing that I can share. Its silence silences, and because of this incident, there was a kind of silent atmosphere, and this silent atmosphere is actually silencing me also. I don't have anything to say. I am completely silent, alone, without my mom in this world, and I am missing her very much. Right? So, this is all about the poem. Here you can see the last line, silence silences, very important, right? So, this is about the poem, the photograph. So, if we summarize within 2-3 lines, a photograph showing the childhood of the mother, and the mother was enjoying with the two girl cousins in that seaside areas, the beach, and she was having the age of 12 years old. The contrasting images of time, the sea, the permanent object of nature, permanent thing of nature, and we, the human being, those who are impermanent, transient. And whenever she was looking back into that photograph, my mom, she was very happy, and with time she lost her laughter, she lost her life, and all these reasons, because of all these reasons, I lost my smile also, and I am completely silent, and we are both of us are disappointed, and I am completely alone, and I am missing my mom. So, this is all about the poem, A Photograph, which is talking about a particular memory, about a very special person that we all are having in our life, our mom, and the daughter is remembering her mom, remembering her mother through this poem, right? So, thank you, and wait for the upcoming videos.